Hello po, Tia Milin Mano po. Happy 65th birthday po. Ang wish ko po sa inyo naway pagkalooban pa po kayo ng mahal na Panginoon, ng malusog na pangatawan at mahabang buhay. You must enjoy yourself palagi po. No stress. God bless you po. I miss you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Milin. I wish you all the best. Good luck, good health, and God bless you always. I love you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Lula Malen. Enjoy your day. I love you po.
Dini, isa pa. Doon.
Daday na.
Isa pa.
Happy birthday, Lola Melen. God bless you po.
Hello. My beautiful Auntie Milen Amego Mendoza. Happy birthday. And I wish for you a good health and more blessings to come. Enjoy your day because it's your day for your birthday. A big hug from Amigo and Binaber family. We love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday po, Ate Milin. Naway marami pang kaarawan ang inyong sapitin at mahabang buhay, mabuting kalusugan at pagpapala sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga tulong at pagmamahal sa amin palagi, lalo na po sa dalawang bata, kay MJ at kay Andrew. Naway lagi po kayong bigyan ng Panginoon ng malakas na pangangatawan. Tunay po kayong inspirasyon ng mga taong nakapaligid po sa inyo at nagmamahal palagi sa inyo. Muli po, maligayang kaarawan. God bless you always po at we love you po.
Birthday, Lola Mary. Good health and God bless always. Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day.
Birthday, Ninang Milin.
Happy birthday, Lola Milin.
Happy birthday and many more, Ate Bilin. Wishing you good health and happy life with your family. Thanks sa lahat-lahat. God bless. Ingat palagi. Love you and happy birthday.
Mate, happy birthday. Wish ko sa iyo, sana bigyan ka ni Lord ng mahaba at magandang buhay. Thank you at saka iyong kabaitan sa amin ng bats. God bless you. Love you and miss you.
Happy birthday, Milen. Kumusta na kayong lahat diyan?
Hi.
Hi, Ate
Hello.
Milen. Hello.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa party dyan. Sorry, wala kami.
And also, happy retirement.
Okay, so
Enjoy.
take care.
Travel. See you in the Philippines.
Okay.
Regards to all.
Bye.
65th birthday. Happy birthday, Milen. Bigyan ka ng marami pang birthday at malugtog ang pangatawan mo at bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay at lakas ng katawan. Happy birthday ulit. We love you.
Happy birthday, kapatid. Sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay at lakas ng katawan. We love you.
Hi family, we're in Calgary. We hope you're doing well, and we just wanted to say happy birthday, Lola Milen.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lola. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Tia Milen.
Hi, we miss you.
We love you.
Happy birthday, more years to come.
Happy birthday, Bunso. God bless you more. Thank you for everything that you are and that you have. Be happy and more years to come. Happy birthday and happy retirement. God bless you.
Bye. We love you.